guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you on how you guys can get every item in Fortnite on any version, so you can play like the old maps and stuff, and you get all the unreleased weapons, get every single item. You can literally get Fortnite dev on old versions and go into matches and games and play on the old maps for some nostalgia, spawn in old weapons, old vehicles, and everything. Let me guys show you in game. You guys, now if I just want to activate skins, as you see I spawn Jetpack, I can pick that up, and there you go. So yeah, I have this. I don't really want the Jetpack. It's kind of, I just don't really like it. This doesn't kind of look any good. But yeah. So guys, as you do see, we can play RiftfnV2, an old Fortnite map. So it's the season 9 map with like those things. And why is Pleasure Plant the only thing showing out? But yeah, we can play the old map, and we can crank like an absolute beast. What am I doing with my life? And we can also spawn old guns, but I'm too lazy to do that right now. So yeah, I'll do that at the end of the video after the tutorial. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get RiftfnV2 Fortnite dev in-game. You can play on the old maps too, with skins and cosmetics like I have. And we can do floss too.
No.
Please.
No.
Okay, Psycho. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is you want to join my Discord server, which will be linked in the description, extra server. Then what you want to do is you want to head over to the website channel, and you'll most likely land in rules when you first join. What you want to do is you want to, where it says looking for all this stuff, you want to go to look. If you're looking for downloads, get a website, you can just click on that, or you could scroll down to website. Then once you're here, and if this link does not work, because I don't think it's working right now at the time I'm recording this video, or it might just be something about using an alt Google account, I don't know, but it just doesn't work. So if it doesn't work for you guys, what you want to do is you just want to take this one, and you want to copy it, and then you just want to paste it into Google Chrome. Now make sure you're using Google Chrome for these links, because it works best with Google Chrome. Now what you want to do is you just want to click free access with ads. It'll most likely like make you wait 5 seconds, but then once you're here, you have to do a quick little thing. So you have to add this add-on, but you can remove it, and I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. So there we go, I added that on. Now I can activate notifications by doing allow. There we go. And then I can block notifications and remove the browser extension while I'm looking at these articles. So in 4, 3, 2, 1, it is done. Now I can just click continue, and I'll take you to my page, my website. So what you can do is you want to go to Fortnite, and you want to go to right here, RiftfnV2 Fortnite dev, and you want to click on Get with Cosmetics. Now guys, before you do this, you will need to install Net Framework, Netcore, and .NET before, because otherwise these won't work. Okay, so you need to install all 3 of these, or like it will crash or like open for a little bit and it just won't work. So yeah, make sure you install each of those. Like you just gotta click on them, download them, same concept for each of them. But I'm just gonna skip that because that's gonna be incredibly boring for you guys to watch. So guys, what you want to do is you want to click Get with Cosmetics, and then you have to do some steps. You have to subscribe to my main channel, my second channel, comment, like on this video, follow turn notifications, my Twitter, and view my website, which is my TikTok. But it'll be a lot for you to follow me. So I'll just click on this. It might take you to like an ad page. So you just gotta click it some multiple times to take you to the correct page. And now what you can do, you can like, and then you can comment whatever you want to comment on this. Is just an alt account. But yeah, this is how you can get Fortnite dev and join friend. This one you can't join friend because it's offline, but this one you can go in game with. And so yeah, you can get unreleased skins of Superman and rare items too with Stormer Fan. So I would definitely recommend checking that out after this one. So what you want to do is you want to click the target site, and they'll take you here. Now what you want to do is you want to wait 5 seconds. And this is like the same concept for downloading all the .NET stuff, Framework, Core, and just the normal one. You want to click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. You have to activate notifications. You have to go to that, allow, and then just click it again so it refreshes, and then we can just switch them right back to block. And now guys, it is the same concept for most of the link for tons of links. This is how you navigate through them. So yeah. But when you get to this part, this part of the download, what you want to do is you want to open up a new tab, go to go to settings, go to security. You'll see safe browsing, turn on no protection. I promise it's not a virus, guys. It's just so it can download the download manager. And I promise it's 100% safe. So what you want to do is you want to click download. Now what you want to do is you want to run it. Click yes. Select English. Click OK. Next, decline it, and open. Now what you want to do is you want to click download. And now you can do is you'll see this. If it doesn't have these book icons, guys, what you want it to do is you want it to install WinRAR, which can be found in my Discord server right here in the website channel. And then what you can do is you want to go to your downloads. Let me just exit all this stuff. So if I go to my downloads right here, then all this stuff will be here. What you guys want to do is you want to right click on this, click extract here, and then you'll see this. Now what you can do is you can drag that on your desktop and you can delete these two things. But I already have it, so I'm just going to delete all. So guys, once you have the folder, what you want to do is you want to open it, and then you'll see all of this stuff. Now what you want to do is you want to right click on the easy installer, and then what you want to do is you want to go to properties, go to compatibility, check you'll see run this program as an administrator, check that box, and click apply, and then click OK. Now what you want to do is you want to run it, and then click yes. Now you can install any version of chapter 1 that you want. So like I think this works on the majority of the seasons, but if you want to get a lot of the skins, I would recommend doing it on like 9 or 8 or 10, because skins gradually got added to Fortnite. And what you want to do, once you know what version you want to install, you want to find the windows for it. For example, if I wanted to install season 7, and then I would find this one. So here, this is version 7.40, and this is a Windows one. This is number 35, but you would just type in 35. And it also says, please enter a game folder location. You want to right click, make a new folder, and you want to title it like Fortnite 7. I don't know what version I just installed. I'm such an idiot, but 7.40 or whatever. And then you would go in it, go to the top, you would copy it, and then paste it right there, and then it would start installing. But I don't want it to, because I already have a version I'm going to use, which is season 9. But that's what you do. I recommend doing it overnight if you have really bad internet. It will install an old version of Fortnite for you to play Rift with. Now what you can do is you can launch it. I would recommend running it as admin so that doesn't happen. So how you do that is you right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, check around this program as an administrator, click on OK. Double click on it, click yes, and then it will launch up. It will look something like that. And now guys, if it does crash right away, what you want to do is you want to go to virus and threat protection, go to admin settings, and turn off real-time threat protection, just so it stops crashing. Guys, if the launcher does crash like crazy, just restart your PC and it should work. Now guys, once you have the launcher open, you can make a username, and now what you want to do is you want to set the path to where you have Fortnite installed. So for example, that would, where would your modified version installed? So you would click on these dot, and then you would go to where you have the Fortnite installed. For me, that's my D drive, Fortnite build, my season 9, and then when you see Fortnite game and Fortnite and engine, you can just click select forward. Don't select either one of them though. And then what you can do is you want to click play, and it will launch up. Now guys, if it does ask you for a login, you just will need to relaunch it, because sometimes it can be a little bit buggy, but yeah. So once you are in lobby, I'll get back to you guys once I am. Okay, so it asked me to log in. I gotta restart. Guys, once you launch up, you'll see something like this. Now what you can do is you can just like play, and there you go. You have Fortnite devs on an old version. And I'm going to show you guys how to get in game and spawn unreleased items in a second, but as you do with everything, I'm going to keep my Renegade Raider and Black Knight Shield, but I will put on a pickaxe. What should I put on? Maybe I'll put on this one, and then I'll get a glider. The golden glider wasn't in the files of it. What is this? I think that was the base model for the glider. I'm going to take that one. And, I don't have an controls yet. And so, yeah, now what I can do, guys, is you can just click F3 if you want to go in game. So, F3, and there you go. Now, guys, there are a bunch of commands you can do stuff with, which I will have a link in the description. But the only one I'm going to be focusing on today is just how to get your skins. Now guys, I have a video way more in depth that I uploaded yesterday on RiftfnV2, because there's so many commands you can do. Like, you could spawn unreleased items that aren't in the game file on the latest version, but were on the old versions, but never actually came out publicly. So yeah, you can do so much with this. This is 100% unbannable because this is all offline. But let me just show you guys how you do get the skins in game, because nothing will show up at first. So once you load in, guys, what you will need to do is you will need to go to the key that's above Control Shift Caps Lock tab, but below Escape on the left hand side of your keyboard, at least if you have a US keyboard. And what you want to do is you want to click that key and you want to paste in this command. Now guys, you might be like, I don't have this command, or how do I get that? I will have it in the description, so you can copy and paste it in. Now what you want to do is you want to click enter, it will spawn a jetpack. Now what you want to do is you want to pick up that jetpack, and there you go. Just don't swap to it like I did with my mouse wheel by accident, and your game will not crash. Oh my god. Okay, now let's attempt to not swap to the jetpack. There we go, we have skins. Oh my god, I actually did it. So yeah, so guys, as you do see, we do have our skins now. We can do whatever we want. And I mean, we literally can do whatever we want, as long as our game does not crash. So guys, in conclusion, this is a very open beta, so don't expect everything to work perfectly. There might be multiple crashes, but also I'm on season 9, so some seasons might work better than others. Like, I know season 6 works really well, so if you want to get season 6, I'd recommend doing that one. This is an extremely open early beta, and I'm not a developer for it, so do not blame me for any of the crashes or the bugs you might experience. I would recommend go watching the actual Rift video, which will be in a card right now at the top right of your screen. And the reason I recommend doing that is because that's how you actually install Rift, the real one, and that's how you can get all the commands, and it will be way more consistent. It won't crash. It works 20 times better because that one is not remade. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.